Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Matt with Green Bar Trading. So in today's video, I took a very quick trade that I found on our momentum scanner. Now, I'm going to link this in the description. If you have Thinkorswim, you can put in the exact same criteria that I have, and I will show you all. I'll also link the video where I actually go through making the scanner because it's free. So if you have Thinkorswim, it's free. It's a free scanner as long as you have my information that you put in there. Now, this scanner, if you've been watching my channel, like a lot of you have, this is the same scanner that Ross Cameron over at Warrior Trading uses and Trade Ideas uses that have the momentum stocks hitting a high of day. So I made the same scanner that costs a ton of money, and I did it for free. Now, it took time. It took a lot of time watching him trade live and actually seeing the stocks pop up, but I finally got it. So anyway, that's the backstory on what I'm about to show you. Was a really, really good trade, and I never would have gotten this trade if it wasn't for that free momentum scanner. And I'll show you guys here in a second the trade. But before I do, this is where I'm going to ask if you would please hit that thumbs up. This is really, really quality information that can really make you guys some serious money. These are momentum stocks. These things can rip, really, really rip. And, you know, this trade, after seeing this on the scanner, once I jumped on it out of the whole trade was probably, I want to say 7 seconds. So, you know, you could make some real good money quickly off of that momentum scanner. So here we go. I'm going to share the trade with you guys. Okay, so here's the trade on AEHR. This was found on our scanner, and I'll show you because I took a screen capture of it right here. So this screen capture was taken right after I took the trade. As you can see, it's right on the top of the scanner. So right here, because I always sort with mark percentage from the highest gapper to the lowest. So it showed up right there at the top. And that's when I see it, I click on it because I put my scanners into my watch lists. Also, you know, you can do the same thing. Like I said, I'll link the video in the description of how I made it. But once I clicked on it and I was able to do my real quick look and see, and, you know, is there a lot of volume in it? Is there potential for continuation? And that's when I saw that it got hit with a halt. So I waited for it to come out of the halt. And let me just go back to the trade. So I waited for it to come out of the halt. And as you can see here, this is another beautiful trade would have been right here. These things can really move. The market closes in about 9 minutes or so. So I just wanted to get in, get out. Did I leave money on the table? Yes. But there's one thing that I do not do. I'm not greedy. So when I see a scalp, I take it. Because a lot of times when something goes into a halt, it comes out of a halt, there's a potential that it could halt on the way down as well. So now all the stocks that show up on our momentum scanner, they don't all go into a halt. This one just happened to be halted right here. So on this is a 1 minute bar. On this 1 minute bar, it went straight into a halt. And that's, I think it's about 10% in 5 minutes or so. A 10% move in 5 minutes, depending on the stock, will put something in a halt. So this being a low price going from $5.40 to $6 is a very big move in a very short period of time. Now, this is up 94% on the day. If we look back earlier in the day, I mean, it was trading down in the 4s. So this thing started right here with a ton of volume. So really a lot of good potential on this. I would not have seen it if it wasn't for that scanner. So let me just go over the trade with you really quick. So I took 300 shares out of the halt. I waited to see that this level held. It held. It ripped up. It came back a little bit. I got long 300 shares at $6.17 for the first 1 minute candle out of the halt to make a new high. And that right here was the area that I was playing. And we got the rip up just as expected, took my profit into the 630, 638-ish, which would be right up there. So that was a good trade. That was a very good trade, a very quick trade, a quick $60 into my account, all because of that momentum scanner. So I have my scanners over here, as you can see. Right here are all the stocks that are hitting high of day, momentum. They have a lot of volume. It's all in my scan criteria that I have right here. So now this is where you can, if you want, take a screenshot or just jot it down. This is the criteria. Now, I'm not going to leave this screen up for long. Like I said, I have a video where I go over this all. I will link that in the description, but this is the stuff. This is the magic formula that I found to find these momentum stocks that Warrior Trading finds, and all the day traders that have trade ideas and these expensive scanners. This is that magic. This is the formula. These are the things that I found out, and I shared with my YouTube audience. That video has a lot of views, and for good reason. I mean, this is a legit scanner. If you have Thinkorswim, like I said, it's free. It's free. How can you beat that? Keep your overhead low, and it works really well. So anyway, this is the trade on a momentum stock, AEHR, found off our momentum scanner, and it gave us a lot of really nice profit in a very quick period of time, which is what I like. Less mental capital expended, the better. So, this video will be posted on Tuesday. And, we're wrapping up the day up here at $82. So this trade was a big bulk of that. So it was a very nice win. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed the content, enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Like I said, I will link that video in the description, although most of you that have been following me know about that scanner already that I developed. So if you are new and you want that information, just click on it in the description and you'll find it. And if you like the content, subscribe. We have new videos every single day. I'm trading these momentum stocks every single day, breaking down the market every day. We have a free Discord that you could get into. And over on Twitter, we post levels on the SPY and the Qs every single morning. So there's a lot of content, a lot of good information that if you're day trading, if you're new, or even if you've been day trading for a while, there's some good information in here to learn. So anyway, I hope that you guys did enjoy it, and hit that thumbs up for me, and I'll see you back on the next video. Take care, everyone.